We're here at Riverlinks Eastbank. This is a 827-seat concert hall with retractable tiered seating, flat floor. We also have 2 function rooms, suitable for around about 100 people in each. So we decided to upgrade our PA system here because it was no longer meeting the needs of the users of the venue, so both touring musicians, local performers. It covered probably 400 seats well, but not full range. We set some pretty specific targets in terms of dB, even coverage. Had to cover different setups, save on labour in changing between flat floor and tiered seating because we're such a multi-purpose venue.
The brief set out by the client was a high quality sound system that had to meet some benchmark measurements around the space, which is what we've delivered. The system entails the KIVA 2 line array system with 8 cabinets per side, 3 sub-bass boxes per side flown in a cardioid array, supplemented with 2 KS21s underneath the stage. And in addition to that, there's 4 X8 front fill boxes installed in the front of the stage. And all of that is powered by 5 LA4X amplifiers. I think most people have heard about L-Acoustics. It is a flagship product and we're very proud to offer that to the client.
The winning tender, it probably got across the line because it ticked every box. It achieved everything the spec set out. We didn't have to sort of decrease our expectations at all. It did everything we needed and some. We've got 3 different presets. We've got tiered seating, flat floor with no balcony and flat floor with balcony. It's tap a button and away you go. There's no pulling cabinets down, re-angling things. It's quick, easy, and ultimately saves time and money.
This is a perfect kind of venue for KIVA 2. I think we're sitting at about 22 metres to the back wall. And KIVA 2 is a nice, compact, high-performance package. I think on the testing days we were running pink noise through and hitting about 110 dB at the back of the room. So there's plenty of power in such a compact box.
For probably 50–60% of the events, it will be nowhere near its capacity. But for those really big touring shows, it will easily pull it off. And I think the touring performers and engineers will love it.
We need to make sure that we are supported by companies like Jands who have the sales, the support, the service and the technical know-how to back us up so we can back up our client. It's a 3-way partnership. Riverlinks Theatre needs support from us and we need support from our wholesaler, and the wholesaler needs support from the manufacturer, L-Acoustics. And you know, the track record with L-Acoustics is there, it's been proven. So we can go in with confidence and go, we're here for the long term, we're going to deliver value for money. You know, at the end of the day, it might only be every 10, 15 or 20 years that they get this type of budget to upgrade their systems, and that makes us really, really proud to be able to work with these clients long term to deliver these awesome things that are now going to be out there in the community to support arts and the performance space, which, as you know, has been very quiet for the last couple of years, so it's going to be really exciting to get back into it.
We're looking forward to a really busy 2022 and getting to have a go at it with touring performances, local community groups, everyone.